I have this 14-inch round board. This is at chalkitupfancy.com. We are going to have a kit available. I'm going to take my dabbers that I get from the dollar store and I'm going to apply our Republic Red, and I'm going to do 2 coats. Using a chalk pencil, I wanted to find the center of my board, and I made a little X. We're going to be using our Merry Christmas Snowflake by Chalk It Up Fancy. And the next thing you're going to want to do is find the center of your stencil. You can use whatever you want. I just used a pen to mark the center and made an X. Then you're going to line these 2 marks up. You're going to get this plastic spreader. I cut mine in half. You can leave yours whole. And we're going to be using this chalk paste by Redesigned by Prima in chalky white. We're going to take our paste. I just tack this down just to hold it in place. And you're going to want to take your tape and just tack it at the top and tack it at the bottom in a position that you can easily remove it. I'm going to take my spreader and my chalk paste and start spreading it across my stencil. And you're going to go right off the edge. Going off the edge, you want to make sure you're always pushing the paste from stencil out. You don't want to go from the edge of the board in, because your paste will go under your stencil. Another tip is you want to pass over, but you don't want to pass over multiple times with more paste, because then it'll just push the paste down and bleed under the stencil. So you want to pass over, cover your stencil, and move on to the next section. If you need to pass over to take off excess paste, I just do it very lightly with a very soft hand. I'm going to remove my last bit of tape and finish the top portion. And let me just take my finger and rub it along the edge. It's okay if some of your Republic Red is showing. It just kind of makes it look a little distressed. Then I'm going to take a piece of tape to help me lift the stencil off. I'm going to run my finger around the edge, and you're going to get a little paste there. I didn't put any more. I felt like this looked fine with it just kind of passing over it. This is another one I did. I just want to demonstrate doing the salve that you will get in your kit. You could apply this with a cloth or a brush, and it's just brush on or wipe on, wipe off with a lint-free cloth. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper, transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.